Hello friends, I am Shubham Bansal. Welcome to our YouTube channel Neha R. Agarwal and Company Chartered Accountants. Today in this video we are going to cover important reliefs given by the Ministry of Finance regarding GST in view of this COVID-19 outbreak. As you know that the Honorable Finance Minister via video conference in March provided many reliefs to the taxpayers. It is important to discuss this because many people are of the opinion that due date of filing GST returns is 30th of June and many people have understanding कि कोई भी penalty और late fees for Feb, March, April and May charge ही नहीं होगी. That's why we have created this video to provide clarifications in these regards. इसके नोटिफिकेशंस नंबर 30 to 36 of Central Tax dated 3rd April 2020 were released, which provide clarifications and that too with the conditions. Now these conditions are very important to analyze. अगर हम GST नोटिफिकेशन नंबर 31 of Central Tax की बात करें तो it tells about the interest rate that would be chargeable, and notification number 32 it tells about the applicability of late fees payable by the taxpayer for the months of Feb, March and April and not for the month of May. For May a separate notification number 36 issue हुआ है, which we will discuss later. Now talking about these notifications, taxpayers have been classified in three groups. पहला, with the aggregate turnover of above 5 crores. दूसरा, with the aggregate turnover of above 1.5 crores and up to 5 crores. तीसरा, with the aggregate turnover of up to 1.5 crores in the preceding financial year. Here we have drafted a chart for you for better understanding. Now, if a taxpayer's aggregate turnover is above 5 crores, then reduced rate of interest of 9% would be charged after the expiry of 15 days from the due dates for the month of Feb, March and April. ये May 2020 के लिए एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. This benefit of reduced rate will be available only if GSTR 3B is furnished by 24th of June. Likewise, for others, there would be no interest chargeable if GSTR 3B is furnished within the time specified, and no late fees would be charged if their respective GSTR 3Bs are filed within this extended time specified. That's why ये जो rumor है कि late fees और interest charge ही नहीं है, ये गलत है. They would be charged if these conditions are not fulfilled. Now regarding GSTR1, a separate notification number 33 of Central Tax has been issued, जो ये बताता है कि फीस लेट फीस as per section 47 for the months of March, April and May and for the quarter ending March 2020 charge नहीं होगा if details are furnished by 30th of June 2020. यहाँ पे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ टैक्सपेयर नहीं किया गया है. लाइक इन द प्रीवियस केस, क्लासिफिकेशन वॉज डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एग्रीगेट टर्नओवर, हेंस इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल. अब हम बात करते हैं GSTR 3B फॉर द मंथ्स ऑफ May 2020. Here the taxpayer have been classified on the basis of aggregate turnover and states. अगर एग्रीगेट टर्नओवर 5 करोड़ से ऊपर है, then due date of furnishing GSTR 3B for the month of May 20 is 27th June. अगर टर्नओवर 5 करोड़ से कम है तो फर्दर स्टेट वाइज कैटेगराइज किया गया है. फॉर द स्टेट्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, MP, गुजरात, तमिलनाडु and others as specified in the list, due date is 12th of July. Likewise, other states like UP, Bihar, Delhi, Haryana, West Bengal, as it has been specified in the list, due date is 14th of July 2020. This is basically done ताकि पोर्टल पर लोड कम रहे. I hope this video was useful to you. In case of any question, please feel free to write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.